Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the XS Scuba quick disconnect for your second stage. So this fits onto the end of your regulator hose and between your second stage. And this is basically a quick disconnect. So this is particularly useful for full face masks where you don't want to sort of take the mask off. Say you're getting in on back onto a rib, you've got to take your BCD off and somehow pass it back up. But if you're still connected to it by a regulator, or a regulator hose, you then have to take your full face mask off as well, whereas if you still want it to stop the waves, whatever, if you need to disconnect your second stage from the hose, this is a really handy piece of kit. So the first thing is that there's a locking mechanism. So you can't accidentally disconnect it whilst you're in the water because nobody wants that. So undo or unscrew this black collar. And then if you pull back on this little section, just like your BCD hose, it just disconnects. So that stays attached onto your regulator, your second stage, that stays attached to your hose. Then to get them back together, it's just as simple as pushing them back together and then locking it back in position. That way you can't accidentally remove it. So handy piece of kit, as I say, especially for your full face mask. This is the XS Scuba second stage quick disconnect. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.